Well, I just read that. So, one nuts as literally fits in through this nuts literally fits in through my mouth. What the hell, bro? What the hell is this? Oh my god. Looks like we got two truck get hit by each other. Oh my god, damn. Holy cow, oh my god. Dude. You gotta be shitting me right now. You gotta be shitting me right now. Oh man. Bruh. Why is Baldy is just spinning around like a spring? Oh my god. Congratulations, you fell asleep. No way. Hey. What the hell? Homer Simpson. His head just literally sucked through the hole. What the hell? You guys have seen that. Okay, that's all my wheeze I've you have listened, so you have not seen the picture because you will wonder in the comments of which things I just watch, and I give you which things I watch on the comments, so leave a comment and I'll reply. So Merry Christmas to everyone, and have a happy New Year. And a good cheers. Thanks for watching.